In a narration found in Sahih Bukhari, number 7376, the Holy Prophet Muhammad, peace and blessings be upon him, warned that Allah, the Exalted, will not show mercy to the one who does not show mercy to others. Islam is a very simple religion. One of its fundamental teachings is that how people treat others is how they will be treated by Allah, the Exalted. For example, those who learn to overlook and forgive the mistakes of others will be forgiven by Allah, the Exalted. Chapter 24 An-Nur, verse 22.
And let them pardon and overlook. Would you not like that Allah should forgive you? And Allah is forgiving and merciful.
Those who support others in beneficial worldly and religious matters such as emotional or financial aid will be supported by Allah, the Exalted, in both worlds. This has been advised in a narration found in Sunan Abu Dawood, number 4893. This same narration advises that the one who conceals the faults of others will have their faults concealed by Allah, the Exalted. Simply put, if one treats others with kindness and respect, according to the teachings of Islam, they will be treated similarly by Allah, the Exalted, and those who mistreat others will be treated similarly by Allah, the Exalted, even if they fulfill the obligatory duties which are connected to Him, such as the obligatory prayers. This is because a Muslim must fulfill both duties in order to achieve success, namely, the duties towards Allah, the Exalted, and people. An easy way to obtain divine mercy is to simply treat others how one desires to be treated by people. This is true for all people, irrespective of their faith, and in fact extends to all creatures. Finally, it is important to note a Muslim will only be treated kindly by Allah, the Exalted, if they treat others kindly for His sake. If they do it for any other reason, then they will undoubtedly forfeit the reward mentioned in these teachings. The foundation of all acts and Islam itself is one's intention. This has been confirmed in a narration found in Sahih Bukhari, number 1.